Good night. My name is Robert Rios. I am 20 years old. I am first semester a student of environmental engineering. I am from city of Villavicencio. I am work as a personal trainer. I am little Asian Nouveau as passion about sport person. Eh, continuación voy a decir lo de las notas de voz, las preguntas. Eh, my motorcycle is very fat. The tree on my house is very high. We family was going watching a fair field. My family is numerous. The major of my salary is very bad. My university is very big. A continuación voy a decir la parte de la conversación en el restaurante. Eh, Waiter, welcome, German. Go ahead and sit down, please. Robert, good morning, waiter. What in the menu of the day? Waiter, the menu of the day is eggs, orange juice, chief, arepa. Robert, I could have bread instead of the arepa. Waiter, of course, German, with pleasure, bread on the rack. Do you want orange juice or coffee? Robert, I would like orange juice, please. Waiter, Kim, satisfied. Robert, very satisfied. Thanks for your attention. Thanks.